Hey, what's up guys? A new robot just came out and it is not Elon Musk robot, it is not the Tesla bot. This is called the Neo and I just finished watching the preview of the robot. So the preview shows what the robot can do, everything about the robot. Like you can start ordering the robot right now, it's out on the Neo website. But I was so amazed because we see robots in sci-fi movies, on Netflix, all those, like it stays in there, like it has never come into reality. But like me, after watching this video, and it is actually happening, like the robots are out there, you can buy them. I was just so amazed because technology is different. The future is, it's different now. Now this robot costs $20,000. You can pay monthly. I think it's like $4.99 monthly, but if you want to get access to it quickly, it is $20,000, and people are actually already putting in an order for the robot because it helps with everything. And I'm going to be telling you guys everything this robot can do. So let's start with the first one. So the first thing is, what is Neo? So Neo is a fully autonomous robot that takes care of all the repetitive stuff and lets you fully focus on what matters. Like it does everything. It cleans the house, it does your laundry, it does everything you want it to do, it does it. So let's go to the first thing Neo can do. So let's talk about the chores. So this is where it gets really, really impressive. Neo doesn't just clean for you. It doesn't just clean, it doesn't just, tidy up. It manages your home. You can literally give it a schedule like morning, afternoon, evening. You go out and when you come back, your house is going to be fully cleaned. And this is another thing that is really, really impressive. If Neo doesn't know how to do what you want it to do, there's something called a 1X expert, whereby you can just set that on and Neo is going to be guided by an expert. So that expert is going to teach Neo how to do what you want Neo to do in case of next time. So next time Neo doesn't need an expert or anything to guide him on doing the chores. So it does it for you after learning. And not only that, the more you use it, the smarter it gets. So this is like ChatGPT. When you're building a relationship with ChatGPT. If I go onto my ChatGPT and I ask ChatGPT what is my name, it's going to tell me my name because we've been having conversations for a very long time. I've been telling him about some things. It's been giving me ideas on a lot of things. So it's going to with it, that relationship is there. So the more you use it, the smarter it gets. Let's go to the second thing. So guys, the second thing is the design of Neo. So let's talk about the design. Just take a look. So it is soft, it is safe, and it has a very, very quiet design. Unlike most robots we've seen that has like a metal box, Neo feels warm. It is soft, it is quiet, it is lightweight. It's kind of like a cozy pet that, that helps around the house. It has a deformable 3D lattice body, so it is very soft to touch. It is made of something like a wool, so it's not hard. It's like a wool, and I think you even get a lint roller to like clean if there's like anything attached to the body of Neo. It's quiet and it's quiet. Like you won't even notice it walking around the house. It is very, very quiet. And the third part is the companion. So Neo is not just an helper. It's not just someone that cleans the house, that does your chores, does your laundry, and does all those things. It is also a companion. You can ask questions about recipe. You can even ask for advice. It gives you instant and intelligent answers. And also it remembers whatever you ask it, it learns from how you speak to him, and it even cracks jokes when you're bored. So it's not just a cleaner, it's not just an house help, it's a friend. It's an assistant, it's a friend, it's a buddy, someone to keep you, when you're bored, you can crack jokes with Neo and do all those kind of things. And this is very, very, very crazy. Like I'm just so amazed by all the things Neo can do, honestly, trust me. So let's go to the fourth thing. So the fourth thing is it grows with you. So this is the special thing about the robot, because you don't just want a robot that's just going to be there and just cleans the house and it doesn't know anything else. So Neo grows with you, from learning how to clean the house, tidying up. It tries to understand your daily routine. You're living with a robot, so it sees whatever you do every blessed day, and your moods, your voice. And with time, you can start with communicating with Neo, it knows, it knows what you want. It knows the things you will do at this time. It knows the thing you do in the morning. It knows what you do in the afternoon. It knows, it even knows the kind of food you eat. It knows what you cook because it has been helping you to do all those things. So it automatically learns and grows with you. So honestly, there's a lot of advantages about this robot. I don't really know the disadvantages, but I want you guys to tell me the disadvantages you think. Like, do you think this robot would affect anything about, about you if you get the robot? Like, it also has cameras also. If you go out and you leave the robot in the house and you want to see what the robot is up to, you can use it from the app. You can talk to the robot from the app. You can communicate with the robot from the app. You can, you can tell it, you can set the timers for the chores from the app. You can do everything from the app. When you're outside, it can also serve, it can serve like a, like a surveillance camera to like see what's going on in the house, because it has a camera and you can use to see everything going on. So the robot is really helpful. From all what they said it can do, it is definitely helpful. Like, it is worth everything. But the thing is, the disadvantage about the robot, like, is there really any disadvantages? Yeah, there would be disadvantages. But honestly, I think we are all just blinded by all what it can do, because that is all what we need. Someone to do the dishes, someone to do the laundry, someone to clean the house, someone to arrange everywhere to make sure everywhere is tidy while you're like, you're outside or you're sleeping or you're busy with doing other stuff, right? So yeah, I would say Neo is worth every penny you're going to be spending, and it is $20,000. You can pay instrumental $499. It is available to order right now, and people have been placing in their order already. Like, yeah, people really want things. This is what we've all been waiting for. Something like this, something to help us throughout our, our day-to-day activities. I feel like this will make people much more lazier, something like that. But there are some people that, that want to use it in the right way, in the best way they can use it. So yeah, I think it is worth everything. This robot is definitely worth everything. So this is on to you guys. Would you be getting this robot? I want to hear from you guys what you think about this robot. Is it, is it reliable? Is it the best? Is it worth the money? Because it is actually expensive. But I would say $20,000 for a robot that does those things, I think it is worth the money, because $20,000 and it's lifetime. If you have an house help, or you have like someone that helps you with those things, you have to pay them monthly, right? So having something for lifetime for just $20,000 to do all those things they can do, I think it is worth the money. I think it will lose jobs. Some people have to lose their job. That's the kind of disadvantages this robot would have. But let me know what you think about this robot. Will you be getting them? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment what you think about the robot. And turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I post any video. Have a good day and go get your robot. Peace out.